Well, big changes are coming to car insurance here in Michigan in just a few days, and those changes could save you some money. But our guest says it's important to make sure you're covered in the event of an accident. Here to help clear up some of the confusion is attorney Mark Bernstein from the Bernstein law firm. Mark, thank you so much for joining us this morning. You know, when do these new laws officially kick in? When will we start seeing the changes?
So these new laws take effect on July 1st. Actually, they apply to policies that are renewed after July 1st, 2020. So it's basically July 2nd, these new rules apply to insurance coverage.
All right, and what's actually changing in the law?
So to understand the changes, we have to just go back for a second and appreciate exactly what the problem was. Michigan had the most expensive, and still does, the most expensive auto insurance rates in the United States. And it caused half of drivers in Detroit to drive without insurance. And 20% of drivers across Michigan to drive without any insurance. So the changes that apply give drivers and their families choices about what type of coverage they want for their medical bills after an accident. So now drivers have the option to pick to keep what they have, no change. They'd have unlimited coverage for their medical bills, or they can purchase different choice options that are lower. There's a $500,000 option, there's a $250,000 option, and there are even lower options if you have certain qualifying situations. We have a book about this if you'd like to check it out on our website at callsam.com on the new no-fault law that explains all of this. But the choice is the biggest deal that drivers will enjoy with this new law.
Right. Well, you know, after paying so many years with the highest auto insurance in the nation, a lot of folks really want to bring those prices down. But that may not be the wisest move for everyone. What are some of the things we need to think about when making these choices for coverage?
So you want to make sure that you're making a choice that's right for you and your family. And if you choose a lower amount of insurance, you will have risk in multiple ways. The first risk is that if, God forbid, you're in an accident, you may not have the coverage necessary to pay some of the medical bills that are necessary for your care. And in particular, some of the allowable expenses, like changes to your home that you may need, God forbid, you need help if you're catastrophically injured. On the third-party side, there's a bodily injury amount of insurance that you buy that if you cause an accident and injure other people, this is the insurance that covers that type of event. That's called the RBI, or the minimum bodily injury insurance. That amount right now is $20,000. Many people buy more than $20,000, and you should buy more than $20,000. That minimum amount is going to go up to $250,000, and you can opt out to get $50,000, which is still a significant increase in the 20. But
all right,
buy the most RBI you can. That's the advice we're giving people.
And we're just about to wrap up. We're running out of time, but I know motorcyclists have their own concerns. Very quickly, what do motorcyclists need to think about?
Motorcyclists have to live, or really at the mercy of the insurance decisions of the cars that hit them in an accident. And so so you just need to ideally buy as much uninsured motorist coverage as you can to cover yourself in that instance. Motorcyclists is a problem. Yeah.
Mark Bernstein of the Bernstein law firm, thank you so much for joining us and helping us walk through these big decisions that we all face in the coming days.
Thrilled to be here. I appreciate it.
Thank you.